So I've had this problem that I haven't been able to start my motorbike. It's a brand new 2023 PCX 160 and it wouldn't start. So I do everything that the manual told me to do, the owner's manual. All the lights would be on, I'd have the key, I'd have everything. And it'd take 10 minutes and then all of a sudden it would suddenly start, and it was enormously frustrating. I looked online, there was nothing about it online, so that's why I'm making this video. Okay, so starting prerequisites. Firstly, you've got to have the key, and key's got to be on you. You've got to be close to the motorbike. Next thing is you push this button in. If you push it in, the third thing that happens is that this light comes on and tells you you've got the key. Okay, so then you just turn it down 2 clicks, so it's now pointing down instead of pointing up. Second thing you've got to do is have the kickstand kicked up out of the way. Won't start if the kickstand is down. Third thing you've got to do is you've got to squeeze the left brake, and that's the rear brake. You've got to squeeze that. And last thing is you push this button and the bike should start. And if it doesn't start, which is what would happen to me, sometimes it would, sometimes it wouldn't. After 10 or 15 minutes, all of a sudden it would. Here's what the problem is. It's number 3. You've got to squeeze harder. There's a circuit that this thing sets up by squeezing the left-hand brake, and because it's now hydraulic, you've got to squeeze it harder for it to make that circuit. And I've got the ABS one, so I've got 2 of these. The cable-driven one, that it's got a cable rear brake. It's never had this problem, but now I know all you've got to do is squeeze harder, and you'll find that the bike starts, and that's the trick to it. Now moving on to the stupid. If you're riding somewhere and you arrive and you forget to switch this knob off so it goes all the way to the top, and switch your ignition off, your ignition stays on, your lights stay on, and then you'll come back and you've got a flat battery, and this is just an enormous pain in the ass. And so check and double check and triple check. Every time I arrive somewhere I double check and triple check. It makes a beep about 20 seconds after you leave the bike to tell you that you've switched it off. If you don't hear that, check that the bike is off. Otherwise you'll come back and you won't be able to start it. Then you've got to open the seat, which is another real pain, and then you've got to get to the battery, and then you've got to jump start it, and if you haven't got the stuff to do it, you've got to get someone to help you, and you might not find someone. It's just a real pain. And Honda, if you're listening, I don't know why you've done it this way, because it's so stupid. It should be very simple. If the bike doesn't detect the key and the kickstand is down and it's been inactive for a few minutes, just switch off the power. It's an if statement somewhere in the circuitry. It should do that automatically, so then you'd come back to your bike and then the thing would start. So I just think that's ridiculous in 2023 that they don't make it idiot proof, because first and foremost I'm an idiot. Okay, so that's the end. I am a financial markets trader. If you think I've earned a subscription, then please subscribe, because I will be teaching people how to trade financial markets on this channel. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button. Aside from that, thank you.